The latest VStitcher and Lotta release is packed with powerful new features. The new Colorways workspace was developed using feedback from our customers and partners to produce a true designer's workspace. Here, across all the colorways, you can manage materials and edit artworks and trims, clone, edit, and import a colorway with a click, or edit materials and copy their properties from one colorway to multiple colorways. Browseware applications now support PBR, physically based rendering, the professional standard for the fashion industry. With PBR, assets will look accurate in all lighting conditions, and you can see the amazing effects in real time. With the U3M standard, which combines physical and visual properties, you can import and export PBR materials and create your own assets library so everyone in your company can use it. You asked and we listened. We added new group and lock features and enhanced the hide feature. These are all delivered with an improved layered view, so you can see everything in one place to power through your design tasks. We have also overhauled our powerful 3D styling tools to make them easier to use and even more powerful when making adjustments in the 3D window. You can even make several adjustments on top of one another. The VStitcher and Lotta 2019 April edition takes digital fashion to the next level.